going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're here in DC for the fourth showing of the premiere, Rigged from the Start, the War on Crypto, aka XRP Unleashed. We've got a wonderful crowd in the back. It's just starting to fill up, so hope you enjoy it. Love you mucho.
I'm a public affairs officer.
What does that mean?
That means I'm almost like public relations for the military. As I was studying the history of Bitcoin and I was looking at why it became, who made it, the group of people, their views.
Do you know who created Bitcoin?
No.
From some of my sources in my network, there's might be 4 individuals, NSA representatives, that all met with, what was the government organization that they met with? Any color you might be able to provide?
No.
I plead the fifth.
I do plead the fifth.
I do plead the fifth.
Once I realized the technology associated with XRP, in my view, in many ways, for what we want to do, is a bit superior to what Bitcoin might be. I know a lot of people would say Bitcoin's superior to everything. I get it. But for this type of work, transactional activities and things like that, there's nothing better.
We coming for you, Gary.
Coming for you, Gary.
First and foremost, before anything and everything, I have to give God the glory for giving me the wisdom, the knowledge, the courage, and the strength to be able to find this the way that I currently did.
I was one of those people who regretted, I miss Bitcoin, and was kind of sulking about it, talking to God, and then God brought XRP my way.
Yes.
And I'm like, there it is. And so I'm very thankful and grateful for that.
XRP! XRP! The train has left the station!